Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about on real-time collaboration in a cloud-based virtual data room. Real-time collaboration in a cloud-based virtual data rooms is a powerful feature that can help you to streamline your workflow and increase your productivity. We'll also cover the benefits of using real-time collaboration such as increased productivity. Real-time collaboration can help you to save time and increase your productivity by allowing multiple users to work on documents and simultaneously improve collaboration. Real-time collaboration can help you to improve collaboration with team members and other stakeholders, then reduce errors. Real-time collaboration can help to reduce errors by ensuring that everyone is working on the same version of document. How to use a real-time collaboration in a cloud-based VDRs. To use real-time collaboration in a cloud-based VDRs, you will typically need to follow this step. Log into your VDR account, open the document that you want to collaborate on, click on the collaborate button, invite users to collaborate on the document, and click on the save button. The VDR will then open the documents in real-time collaboration mode. All users who are invited to the collaborate on the document will be able to view and edit the document simultaneously. Benefits of using real-time collaboration. There are a number of benefits to using a real-time collaboration in the cloud-based video, including increased productivity. Real-time collaboration can help you to save time and increase productivity by allowing multiple users to work on a document simultaneously. This is especially beneficial for complex projects that require input from multiple team members and improve collaboration. Real-time collaboration can help you to improve collaboration with your team members and other stakeholders. By allowing everyone to work on documents simultaneously, real-time collaboration can help to break down silos and foster more collaborative environment. Real-time collaboration can help to reduce error by ensuring that everyone is working on the same version of a document. This is especially important for documents that are frequently updated or that are shared with multiple stakeholders. Additional information. In addition to the benefit mentioned above, a real-time collaboration in a cloud-based VDR also offers a number of other features such as version control. VDRs keep track all of changes made to documents, so you can easily revert to a previous version of if necessary. Audit VDRs keep all tracks of the activity in the VDR, including who has viewed and edited documents. This audit trail can be used to investigate any errors on unauthorized access. Secure communication. VDRs offer secure communication features such as that chat video conferencing so that you can easily communicate with other collaborators. How to choose a video with a real-time collaboration capabilities. When choosing a video with a real-time collaboration, there are a few factors to keep in mind. Security. Make sure to choose a video that offers a state-of-the-art security features to protect your sensitive data. As I have used, the video should be easy to use for both you and your collaborators, even if they are not familiar with the real-time collaborations. Then features. Make sure to choose a video that offers the features that you need, such as version control, audit trails, and secure communications. Then pricing. Compare the pricing plan of a different video providers to find that fits your budget. And last conclusion. So real-time collaboration in a cloud-based video is a powerful feature that can help you to streamline your workflow and increase your productivity and improve collaboration. If you need to collaborate on documents with multiple team members or stakeholders, I encourage you to consider using a video with real-time collaboration capabilities. So that's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.